Hello everyone, welcome back to Cyberduky. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find basic network information in a Kali Linux and how to use two important tools like nslookup and dig. This isn't a beginner-friendly guide, so don't worry if you're starting out. Let's start. So this is the terminal, and type ifconfig. And the command is showing all the network informations, network interface and the IP address. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you will usually see WLAN instead of Ethernet 0 or any ETH. That is a thing you need to take note. And what you're seeing is the IP address information. IPv6 also is showing in subnet mask and broadcast address. And this is the internal loopback interface. And the one more command I show you is IP. Let me clear the screen, Control L, then IPA. So you can also use IPA. This is a modern alternative to ifconfig, and works same as showing you your IP address information status. So we see here also the same ETH0 and IP address information, whatever we saw in ifconfig as well. So what we need to see here is inet, which is where you can see the IP address, broadcast address. Subnet is here, is this one where they put /24. Next, let's talk about DNS. So DNS is what we call www.google or so this anything when we open a browser, we put www.google.com, Yahoo, that's called DNS. So how to find more information about DNS, there's two tools we're going to discuss. One is nslookup, another one is the dig. Dig is a little bit advanced, so we will go with first nslookup. So nslookup google.com. So it's giving these informations. These informations are IP informations. What are the IP it's used, the address. This one is the DNS server which is getting these informations, and these are the IP information for Google. So if I do the same thing for Facebook, so I have only one address it's showing Google, but I can see many. The thing, this one is IPv6. Yeah, this one is IPv6. This is IPv4. Sorry. Let's see the next one. Okay, next one is the dig command, right? So dig, let's try with google.com. So see, so the dig gives more like advanced kind of information. Here it says what are the IP address it's used in a more better way, but it's all IPv4. And if you do for same thing for Facebook, also same. So it's giving the same information. These are the records. There's error code, C records. So this is the error code, means the host name, then CNAME. There is a huge topic about DNS and how it works. So these are the two things or three things I want to show you: how to find an IP address information, then how to find dig or DNS information using dig. So that's today you learn how to check your IP address and use nslookup and dig to look up domain information in the Kali. If you found it's helpful, give a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly cybersecurity contents. Let us know if in the comments what you want to learn next. So see you in the next video.